Hello everyone, hope you guys had a spectacular day. This video is going to be nice, short, and sweet. Let's get straight into the video. Number one, tomorrow morning we have a lot of news coming out at 10 a.m. So intraday, as we're scalping, we have to make sure not to hold anything during 10 a.m. because it's most likely going to be turbulent. Last but not least, you guys understand that I was very bearish. We were holding on to Microsoft puts, right? And this was the number one reason why I was bearish on the market, because Microsoft was very overextended to the upside in accordance to the Bollinger Band. So it closed down here and then it gapped up again. We were still holding on to our puts and it ended up really falling much lower. So we were looking at how the SPY, the NASDAQ, the IWM, everything looked very weak, and Microsoft looked very overextended to the upside. I did say that the dollar being that strong and holding up above, right, it made sense that the dollar would have some sort of a pullback and then a bounce from here, and that's exactly what happened. We did have a break below this level of support and then a break. Literally, that's exactly what happened, because usually if this was a security, like I said yesterday, if this was a security, if this was a normal stock, it's very rare that this level of support would always hold. And it would be very rare for it to just bounce. So I said it would make sense for it to fall just a bit. And in that instance of when it would fall a bit below this level of support, that's why the market ended up doing a bit well. But overall, momentum wise, the market was weak. That's why we were in shorts on tech, especially, and on Microsoft. And we're holding on to long-term puts on Mara for September. But these Microsoft puts for February 20th and for February 24th, they were up over 50% at the close. So basically now moving forward, the next steps are, obviously you can see that the SPY, you can see how the NASDAQ, you can see how the IWM, they all closed below their uptrend level, right? And you know, it's tough to become super bearish now. What's most likely going to end up happening is we might get a bit of a bounce back to levels of resistance and then a continuation downwards. But that's why we were bearish up here when we don't really need to worry about this stuff. So we're holding on to our swings. Overall, we have to look at where we open tomorrow. If we still open lower, overall, I mean, the momentum is still bearish. But if we end up closing above, I would say 410, 411, then we can lean long again heading into next week. But so far, clearly it doesn't look very good. Our puts are working very well. And yeah, there's not much else to talk about. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Thank you.